So click to start, then click on setting, network and Bluetooth, then touchpad. Just click on it. You can see just turn on and off. If you can see not accessible any mouse, so you can connect the external mouse to your laptop, and after that you can access. You can just see if it is off, so your laptop keypad, laptop mouse is not working on board touchpad. Okay, so you have to just on. Okay, and this is a setting, so you have to fast and slow, then close it, then again click to start and type device manager, open. You can see some extract. After that, the mice and other pointing device, just extract it, select the mouse, just right click and update, close it, then select this one and update. And also you can see the touchpad driver, touchpad, you just extract and update it. Okay, then close it. Open any browsers to type like that, and first URL type, you can see asus.com, just click on it. Then this is your laptop, just click on it. After that, click on support, then click on driver, select OS. This is your laptop, scroll down. Now you can see this is a touchpad driver in the point device, and just click on download. You can extract if you install. Okay, install this one also. Yeah, click to download, and it is completed. Just single click, then click on yes. Now you want to change the language, so change it, just click on select, otherwise click to OK, then next. This is I agree, and you just accept. Okay, accept, then next, install, select next, then next, and just click to install. Okay, it will take some time, might be milliseconds of it's completed. Then restart your system. Yeah, restart.